How to cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription. So, it has now been a while since you purchased Fortnite Crew subscriptions at a reasonable monthly price and you are enjoying its benefits. So, here are easy steps on how to cancel a Fortnite subscription. Firstly, go to the Epic Games account page. Be sure you are logged into your Epic Games Fortnite account. Now, once logged in, at the top right of your profile, click on your picture and click on Settings option available there. Now, go to the account settings page and select Subscriptions. The Fortnite Crew subscription can be accessed by clicking the cogwheel icon on the subscription page and simply tap on the Cancel option available there. So that is it. By following these steps, your Crew subscription will immediately be cancelled and your credit card will not be charged automatically. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.